ano ka ba? Yung iba kasi tingin ng parents parang, ano ka ba? Ano yun? Rebelde? Ganyan-ganyan. Since high school pa ako, gusto ko na magka-tattoo. Sa akin kasi, ang tattoo, parang, oo, self-expression siya. Kung ano yung nasa utak mo. Kung ano yung gusto mong maging tanda sa'yo.
When I go to church yan, kasi yung mga pastor pa na namin, may mga tattoo rin. So parang na-inlove ako sa tattoos. Tapos yung mga pin-up girls na nakita nyo na full of tattoos sa katawan, parang na-intrigue ako sa mga ganun.
Art siya, and it's parang something about free will na you get to do something na from your own free will na parang gusto mo siya. So, papagawa mo siya sa body mo. It's to have your claims somehow.
My family is open-minded when it comes to art. Just like people having body modifications, people going under the knife to change their nose, to remove their jaw so that they would become prettier.
Naoperahan ako. It's emergency. Parang feeling ko second life ko na siya. Ayoko nang palampasin. So, I made the decision na magpatay.
Kasi ayaw ng tatay ko at saka ng nanay ko. Ever since, lagi niya kami pinapaalalahanan na huwag magpatat. Pero dahil sa friends ko na may mga tattoo, tapos gusto nila magkaroon kami ng pare-parehas na tattoo. So, parang gusto na rin.
Kaya puro lines lang siya. Yung sa taas, yung sa side niya, ang ibig sabihin niyan, equilibrium, meaning balance siya. So, nasa side siya nung American Native symbol ng freedom of will, choice, humanity.
It's just a Bible verse, Jeremiah 29:11. Kasi ever since I was a kid, parang ito yung nakahelp sa akin na makaraos ng buhay. Kasi yung verse niya, I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. So, dahil sa Bible verse na to, nagkakaroon ako ng hope sa life.
This is just my name with designs on it. When I went to my tattoo artist, I didn't have any particular design in mind. I just went there and I told the artist I just want my name, which should not appear to be just like MOT, plain MOT. So he placed designs freehand on it.
Carpe diem is a Latin word. Seize the day. Seize the moment.
I am Steffi Candido, student, singer, videographer, and I have a tattoo.
I am Ella Leaño. I am a student leader, and part-time tutor, and I have a tattoo.
I am James Sotelo, student leader, Veno.com president, editor, videographer, and I want to have a tattoo.
I'm Mariela Escarcha. I'm a student and I want a tattoo.
I am Adeline Fernandez, Secretary of Office of Student Affairs, and I have a tattoo.
I am Miss QU. I am a college instructor and I have a
You're my kind of crowd.